went to the zoo to see the animals. At the entrance, she met one guard. Upon entering, she heard a loud roar. She turned around to see 2 lions in the cage. Moving forward, she came across 3 crocodiles who were sunbathing. Not far from there were 4 elephants taking a mud bath. They were a family with Mommy, Daddy, and 2 cute baby elephants. As Aarby explored more, she ran into a big cage with trees. Jumping on the trees were 5 monkeys. Aarby was hungry and sat down to eat in the zoo cafeteria. Opposite to the cafeteria